Hey guys, thanks for tuning in today. My name is Tracy with Farm Alarm, and this is John Kohler from growingyourgreens.com. And we ran into him here at the Baker Creek Seed Planting Festival, and I wanted to have John tell a little bit about what he does on his YouTube channel.
Oh, cool, man. Yeah, thanks. Thanks for having me on your show, man.
Yeah,
I appreciate it a lot.
worries.
I mean, basically, my channel is called Growing Your Greens, and I teach people about growing their own food, whether they're leafy green vegetables or other vegetables or even fruits or, you know, other things you guys can grow and eat in your garden. Growing your own food is one of the most important things you guys could do in life, but not just growing it. I want you guys to grow it and eat it. So also on my channel, I show how I use my food, whether that's dehydrating it, preparing it into salads, juicing it, making green smoothies out of it, or fermenting it. There's so many things you could do with your own produce so that you could eat out of your garden instead of out of the grocery store.
That's awesome, man. So we live in the country. We consider ourselves modern homesteaders, but you live in Nevada, right? In Vegas?
I live in Las Vegas, Nevada, right in the middle of a big city, right? I just live in a standard suburban tract home. So it's like, even I respect homesteaders, and one day I'm a homestead myself. It's on my list, but at first I need to find a nice girl to settle down with, to have a family and all this kind of stuff so we could start our home together. So I'm single, but that's the first step. But the other thing is, I'm showing you how you guys could do it without a homestead. Even if you live in a tract home or in the big city like I do, anywhere, any city around the country, you have a little bit of space. And I show how you guys could maximize your space in your backyard to grow a good quantity of the food. And probably if you grow as much as I did, you wouldn't need to buy any vegetables anymore.
That's right, man. So a lot of people think that, well, I can't do that homesteading thing. I can't, I'm in the city. So you're just proof of you don't have to be in the country to grow your own food.
I like to tell everybody good, better, best, right? Hey, best might be your ideal goal is to have a homestead one day, right? But there's no better day than today to get started, to start learning some of the skills that you'll use on the farm. Like when I move out to a homestead, I'm gonna know exactly what to do because I've been doing it on a smaller scale. And guess what? When it's a smaller scale, it's a lot easier to take charge of and do, right? If you got so many things you gotta figure out, it's too much. But on a small space, you're blessed because you have a small space. You can get really good at what you're doing until you homestead, and you can start learning how to prepare and put up some of the vegetables that you grew so you could eat it, throughout the winter. Like you're here, right? I mean, I could grow year round in my garden, but here you gotta have enough food to make it through the winter if you're trying to totally live off the land, right? And I respect that highly.
Well, cool, man. So what brings you to Baker Creek?
So yeah, I'm just here for the seed planting festival today, and I got a cheap ticket from Las Vegas, and that's one of the benefits of living in Las Vegas. Cheap flights. I fly like Frontier Airlines, Spirit, and Allegiant Airlines. Like this trip was like less than $100 round trip.
Wow, that is cheap.
Yeah.
Well, that's cool, man. I'm glad we got to meet up with you, so thanks a lot, man.
All right, cool, man. Thank you.
We'll see you guys on the next video.